So welcome back to UAV. Let's continue by creating our camera. So let's create a sketch on this face. Let's try to grab our center point from here. It's right here. Good. We can come up to this edge here. Hold on a second. Right, so let's grab a circle. Let's try to grab that center point, and that's good. And yeah, we're just gonna come out some distance about here, and let's just extrude it back a bit. About that far. That's good, because this will go in anyway. So I'm going to press OK on that. Okay, and then quickly let's make a drawing on this face. On this face. Let's make a sketch on this face, yes. So that's the edge. So that's the sphere. So let's grab a but first let's grab the, so we can see, so we know that this is our sphere, right? Hold on, let me just double check. Okay, so that is our sphere, and this is our that inner base. So let me show you that what we're going to do here. Let's go back to this one, and then let's go to this one. So this is our sphere, and this is the inner base, right? So let's grab a center rectangle here quickly, and then let's try to get this center. Let's try to grab this center point somewhere there. There you go. And then we're just going to drag this out. So we know this is our sphere. And then let's drag it out to this edge here. And then maybe about here. It don't matter, because we can always make the base sphere, the base plate bigger. So we're going to cut this about here. Okay, and then let's create another, let's offset this square. Let's uncheck bi-directional. Let's not do this way. Let's grab another one, another center rectangle, and then we're just gonna come out somewhere about here. Okay, that's good enough. And let's just grab some lines here quickly. This line, and let's grab another line here. Okay, and let's just trim away these lines that we don't need. Let's trim these ones away. Okay, that's good. Let's go back to our visual, and let's just cut through this sphere here with these entities. So let's go cut extrude. Let's flip that cut. It's gonna cut all the way. We're going to choose all bodies. That's good. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to group this edge and grab that edge so we can see that, and we're going to get to the normal to profile. So now we can see our base plate. So we're going to come out with our base plate about to the edge of that. Well, at least we will try. Something like that. Okay, that's good. And then we're going to come into this face and then make a sketch on this face, and it's going to convert. No, not that one. Control Z, and this is what we want to convert entities, and we drop that line there which we want, and we're going to check another convert entities, this face here, drop it on there. Okay, and all we need now is a 3-point rectangle. From this point to that point, snap to that edge, and let's create another one from this point to this point, and we're going to snap on that edge. From this point to this point, and let's snap on this edge. Okay, and then we're just going to extrude into this body. Extrude, and we're going to come about halfway, about there. Okay, that's good. Press OK on that. So that's pretty good. It is not a landing gear. In case you think it's a landing gear, it is not a landing gear. We will add our coincident relationships in there. So let's make a sketch on this face here. Normal to profile, and then let's grab that so we can get the center point somewhere around there, and then quickly go over to extrude that cut, and we're gonna go bi-direction also both ways. Cut that all the way through. That's fine. And then we're just gonna come in here and come to surface and cover this place. So we're going to plan our face. But before we do that, let's go to sketch, 3D sketch, and then convert entities. We're going to convert this edge and this edge. Okay. Unfortunately, we have a step in that. So we are going to do this differently. Let's get rid of this 3D sketch. So let's just quickly go back here a few steps. Let's exit this sketch, and let's delete this sketch here because it's giving us a problem. So let's do that again. Let's sketch on this face, And then we're going to go over to convert entities, and we not this one. So let's go again, convert entity. So let's choose this face and then convert entities. So we have the line now. And then we come over here and we choose this face, convert entities, and then we have that line. Okay. So let's get a normal to profile, see what we have. And then we want to get this face, not the base plate. So let's go to 3-point arc and then get these points, and we're going to snap to this face. And that's going to look a lot better. And let's grab another 3-point arc, and we get from these 2 points to this face here. Okay, so that looks better already. Okay, so let's go back to features and extrude that cut. Let's go to somewhere midway. It's halfway, and let's see how that looks. So that looks almost perfect. Okay. So now oh wow, instead of extruded cut we should get extrude. So let's go back here. That looks good. Let's go to features and I go to extrude. About halfway. That's not bad. We still have that step in there. Okay, so that's fine. Let's come down here. Okay, that looks good. Okay, so yes, so let's make a extruded cut. Let's make a sketch on this face. And let's try to grab that center point from this edge. Let's just double check it. We are exactly on the center. Okay, and then we're gonna come down about there, and then we're going to extrude cut. We're going to cut through the whole thing on each side. That's okay on that. And now let's try our planar face. Let's go to sketch. Let's go to 3D sketch, and then we're going to convert this edge, which is good. And then we're going to surface. We're going to sketch. Let's do another one as well. So let's convert these edge here. Okay, that's good. Exit this sketch. Okay, and then we will try to fix that later on. Okay, so let's go surfaces. Let's go planar face. Let's do this. Let's choose these two.